Hello, let's do section or checkpoint 2.13. They want us to write an equation of a plane passing through the point 1, -6, -4 that's parallel to the xy plane. Let's try to get a visual of this. We have this xyz space. We have the point 1. Let's go up in the 1 and down, or -6 to and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's this point over here. I guess what's important here is what's happening in the z component, because the xy plane, you can think about the xy plane as a plane that has the x and the y. But if we follow a z down 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we went 1 unit in the x direction, we can think about this box to try to imagine where that point is. And what we want to do is we want the plane that contains this point, and therefore must contain this point, and therefore must contain this point, and also this point. But this point over here is the point 0 in the x, 0 in the y, and -4 in the z component. So basically z is equal to -4, and it doesn't really matter what the other points on the plane are. We just it's the z value for all these points here. We didn't label this other point. This is the actual point 1, -6, -4. And if we label this point, this looks like it'll have a 1. It didn't move in the y direction, and it would be -4. And then if we label this point, which we didn't do, this point would be not moving along the x, but it's moved along the y, and oops, that's the y is -6, and then the z is also -4. So it looks like regardless of what we do, z is always going to be -4. So that in fact will be the equation that we're looking for. Okay, all right, I hope that helps.